Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you why you should not turn off your Windows 11. So first of all, if I click on this button, okay, so there we have the options of lock, sleep, shutdown, and restart. So if you click on shutdown, so the processes will stop like scanning process or background installation. So the reason is to not turn off your PC often would be allowed Windows 11 to perform necessary background updates and tasks, while also maintaining a faster startup and resume time. However, if you are aiming for energy savings or need a break for the hardware, shutting down or using sleep is the better option. Ultimately, a balance between both practices is the most practical approach. So if you directly shut down, the background processes will stop. But if you click on sleep, that means the background processes will continue. So this is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.